Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Cardano at the price update. What's going on? What surprise changes occur in the Cardano? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please, guys, make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So guys, at this time, first of all, if we talk about the right now price of Cardano at 2.16 USD dollar, that is right now price of Cardano at, and furthermore guys, if we study the changes a bit of Cardano, so now you can see here the last 1 hour update is positive. So obviously guys, now this video is good news, congratulations news for all of you guys, because after a long time I found Cardano again in the jumping mood, and now I think only 2 or 3 days remaining in the September month. So obviously now guys, the pump time of Cardano is very near, guys. Now you can see here last 1 week changes is also positive. Just guys, yesterday Cardano price falls down for some time. Now you can see here from a price chart, it's clear that Cardano price jumped for a short time, guys. But now you can see here in the latest situation, as I show you guys that and the last 1 hour update is positive. So now in the last hour again guys, the price start pumping, guys. So possibilities, guys. Now hope that Cardano price continue this pump for a long time, guys. The update is like that. Now if we talk about last 24 hours changes, so negative 3.78% changes occur in the Cardano and 2.16 USD dollar, that is right now price of Cardano ADA in the market, guys. So guys, now what is your opinion about Cardano and how do you feel today about Cardano? Please also share in the comment box. Hope you like this update video, and guys, I request all of you, please subscribe our channel for more news and update videos.